What's up, everyone? It's Alohamora with Nerdcore Performance, where we are empowering active geeks, gamers, and cosplayers to be geeking strong. This is the second foundational fitness video. It's a little bit different than the first one, but the same kind of concepts. We're just gonna move through the exercises and get a little good workout in. Now, I still have the same incentive going on as the first one, so for every new subscribe, I will do 5 burpees on YouTube Live next Wednesday. All right, let's get to it.
This workout is very similar to the last one. It's 15 minutes. This time it's 8 exercises, not 7. It's 30 seconds of work followed by 30 seconds of rest, and then the second round is 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest. Let's get started with the warm-up. Alright, so we're starting with the warm-up. It's the exact same one as next time, so much so that I did not record a new video because I'm lame. But we're starting with arm circles. Just going to do about 10 to 15 seconds of each thing just to get that blood pumping. Arm circles forward. Now switch them over to backwards. We're going backwards. Yeah, armpit check. I always have to do an armpit check, but you know, it doesn't really matter because I'm by myself in my garage right here. So ignore. All right, we're moving on. Next thing is going to be standing knee hugs. Just take that knee, pull it into your chest, stretching out the glutes right there. And now if you want to, you can do a little lean back to get just that extra stretch right there. It also gets your hip flexors in your bottom leg. Remember, warm-up is really important just to get your blood flowing and to kind of pre-activate those muscles. All right, now we're switching off to quad stretch. You're just grabbing, you're pulling opposite leg. If you need to hold on to something while you're doing this for your balance, go ahead and hold on. And now we're just going to add that little forward tilt if you can. This just kind of activates hamstrings a little bit more, and again gets the hip flexors a little bit more in that following. All right, torso twists. Make sure you pivot that back leg as you're twisting because we don't want that weird torsion on your knee. Torsion is never a great word when relating to your body. So yeah, torso twists, because we're working on twisting exercises today too, so we want to get those warmed up. All right, so we're hip hinging forward. That's a great stretch for that booty and those hamstrings right there. The biggest thing with the hip hinge, you want to make sure that your back stays really flat. So I like to actually put my hands on my hips so I feel myself bending at the hip, not the low back. Remember, you don't want your back to flex during this movement. You're really getting those hamstrings stretched out. All right, now we are reaching up towards the sky. You're reaching up super tall and you are stretching side to side. Ignore my Facebook notifications. It's election night, so I've got a lot going on. All right, stretching up, getting those obliques stretched out. Whew. Yep, still smelling those armpits. Keep hitting the TRX. Don't worry, that does not stop. I will always keep hitting the TRX. All right, now we're doing a chest stretch. So chest and upper back. Switch arms, so one arm's in on top and the other arm then goes on top too. It's a great way to open that chest up, still getting that blood flowing. Oh, we're seeing how long we're doing this for. All right, I call these gate swings. You're gonna bring your knee up and over into the front and then back to the side, up and over to the back, up and back over to the front, up into the back, up and back over, and just keep repeating activation of the hip flexors right here. Also good balance. If you need to hold on to something, go ahead and hold on to something right there. All right, now we're going to take it to the ground, and we're doing glute bridges. These are a part of the exercise, but they're a great exercise in itself and a good way to just sort of get those glutes and that booty warmed up right there. So you're pushing up nice and tall. Remember, you're pushing through your heels. And right here soon, we're going to flip it on over, and we're going to add some mountain climbers in there. Tuck in your shirt if you don't want your, flash to everyone. So mountain climbers, driving that knee to your chest. I don't like to put my foot on the ground on these particular mountain climbers, but yeah. All right, and you're done with your warm-up. So you're going to get ready for your first exercise here, lateral step squats. And go, lateral step squats. For these, you are just going to stand in the center and you're going to step to the side and squat. You're going to step back to the center and step to the other side and squat. Just going back and forth. This just adds a little bit of that lateral movement, trains your knees a little bit differently, so you're not just stationary, but there's a little more uncertainty stepping to the side, so you're going to get a little bit more muscle activation and stability around your knee and hip joints doing these lateral step squats. And break. 30 seconds rest. During this 30-second rest break and all the next ones coming up, I will show you my favorite mounts in World of Warcraft. This is Ashes of Alar. He comes from the Eye in Tempest Keep. A very rare mount. I have a funny story about it. I'll post a different YouTube video about that. So like and subscribe for my World of Warcraft videos. Yay! Alright, get ready for side planks. Get on the ground, lay on your side. We are going in 3, 2, 1, and let's lift up. For these side planks, you want to make sure that your shoulders are stacked right on top of each other. You're on your elbow. Your spine is straight. So you want your hips in line with your shoulders, in line with your feet. Alright, you don't want any swaying, you don't want your hips to be dropped down, you don't want to be piked through your hips either. If you start to get tired during these side planks, you can always drop down to your knees and bend your legs behind you. You're still holding the plank, but your new plank is now from your shoulders to your hips and finishing off at your knees. We are switching sides right now. Switch, go, 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 up on that other side. Same thing, shoulders stacked, spine is straight. Remember, the whole reason that we do planks, and planks are amazing, is because we really want to work all those stabilizers around your spine, that deep, deep core. All that stuff I'm doing right there, that's bad. Don't do that. You want to make sure that your spine is nice and straight. Remember, drop down to your knees if you need to rest. All right, we're working those deep core stabilizers, and we're getting ready to rest in 3, 2, 1, and introducing, this is the Drake of the Southwind, and he is from the Throne of the Four Winds in Oldham. I just got him a couple weeks ago, so I'm very happy. If you don't know me, I am a mount hunter in World of Warcraft, so you'll see a lot of this stuff. All right, you're going to get ready for your next exercise here coming up. We are doing reverse lunges. We're going to do 30 seconds on one leg and then 30 seconds on the other. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, go. You're going to step back behind you and then step together. Right here, my right leg is traveling, my left leg is stationary. I prefer reverse lunges over forward lunges. I think it puts a lot less strain on the knee, and it allows your body to more naturally get in a position where your front shin is vertical. So it's just a lot less stressful on your body, in my opinion, and science and that stuff. All right, we're gonna switch legs. Don't stop. You're going right into your next leg right now. Go ahead and switch legs. Bring the other leg back now. I changed positions here so you can see it from the front, although I really should have moved my camera back a little bit there. Okay, I stepped backwards, but I kicked the wall. Oh, I suck at this. Okay, so you're still reversing. I'm going to go ahead and switch back to the side view so you can see. Just really pay attention to where that front knee is in relation to your foot. You want to still have your weight on your heels as you're pressing back. Nice big step back and rest in 3, 2, 1, and Lucid Nightmare puzzle. This mount was a puzzle, and it was a very difficult one because it had a maze in it that made me want to kill myself just a little bit. But it's beautiful and it's gorgeous, and as of 9.0.1, the newest expansion, it can fly. It couldn't fly before. All right, we're getting ready for traveling push-ups. We're just going to kind of with the squats. We're going to go to one side, go to the other side, back and forth. Oop, ignore me. Ready, set, and go. So you're going to push up, bring your hand to meet the other one, step to the side, bring your hand to meet the other one, step to the side. This activates a little bit more core now with your push-ups. So not only are you getting a little bit more movement through your shoulders, which requires a lot more stabilizing, but now your core, you have to stabilize that spine. Once again, if you start to get tired, drop down to your knees or start from your knees. It's okay. We're getting that movement pattern in. And you're going to rest right now. And here we have the time-lost Proto Drake. You get this guy in Storm Peaks. He's flying around there, and he's super, super rare, and I was very lucky that I got him. Enjoy all of his glory right now. And you're going to get ready for your next exercise, which you're going to be on your back on the floor. You're going to do glute bridges just like last week, but this time you're going to add a pulse at the top. So you're going to increase your time under tension. Ready, set, and go. You're going to push up. You're going to do a double pump. So up, pulse, pulse, and down, up, pulse, pulse, down. This time when you go down, don't actually like touch your hips to the ground. We want to increase time under tension so your glutes and hamstrings are constantly activated. This is also, again, working your core and spinal stabilization. Core is very, very important, and stabilizing your spine is extra important. Before you start getting into other core exercises, you need to make sure you have that down. And we're resting now and enjoying the beautiful grandeur of the long forgotten Hippogriff from Aszuna from Legion. Again, I'll be making separate videos on how to get each of these mounts at a later date. All right, you're gonna lie back on your stomach. Get ready for lying Y's, T's, W's, Y's. Oh, I said Y's twice. It's okay. We're amateurs here. All right, so this is just like last week, but you're gonna lie on your stomach. You lift your arms, hold for a sec, bring it out to the side, hold for a sec, straight to that T, hold for a sec, and then bring it down to that W and hold. It's a nice pulse, so you're just holding for about 1 second at the top. This one, you want to make sure you keep your feet on the ground. That takes your low back out of it, because you don't need to have that hyperextension through your low back. Save your back pain. All right, one more round. And we are resting. 3, 2, 1. And this is the Astral Cloud Serpent from Mogushan Vaults. It's really pretty. I'm breathing into the microphone now. All right. You guys are going to get ready for standing abdominal twists. So this is another core stabilizer. It's not a sit-up. I'm not a huge fan of sit-ups. I like to work the core in different ways. So you're going to stand up, and you're going to get yourself in kind of a quarter squat position, hands in that prayer pose, and you're going to twist opposite arm to opposite knee. When you twist, hold, pause for a sec, and then stand back up. You really feel this in your obliques as you control yourself over to hit and pause. This is one of my favorite core strengthening exercises because it's all about building the stability around your spine, but also having a little bit of that mobility as well. And 3, 2, 1, relax and look at the beautiful violet Proto Drake. This is from the achievement What a Long Strange Trip It Has Been. Basically where you do every achievement for every world event in World of Warcraft. It takes a year to get this mount. So, showcased. Plus it's so pretty in pink. All right, we're heading into the last exercise, the secret 8th exercise, and this is just jumping jacks. This is just because now I want to get the heart rate up a little bit. Increase the heart rate, add that 8th exercise, making it a little bit harder each week. And go, jumping jacks. Whoa, I don't know what I did there. Oh, that was me looking at the clock to see, how long I was actually going to have to be doing these because I wanted to, get an idea. So I'm not doing it for 4 minutes. If you have knee problems or hip problems or you're really tired, you can just step when you're doing these. Just do the motions, but you don't need to jump. Just step to the side, bring your arms up, bring them back down. All right, first round is over in 3, 2, 1, and yay! If you need to pause for more than 30 seconds, grab some water or take care of a bio break. Do that right now and come back to it when you are ready for round 2, which is going to be 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, turbo. All right, when you're ready, get ready for those lateral step squats again. We're turboing through it. 3, 2, 1, and go. 20 seconds of work. Step to the side, step together, step to the side, step together. Remember, keep your weight on your heels as you step back. Push those hips back. Keep moving. This is a fast round. This is the one that gets your heart rate up and keeps it up there. All right, we're going to take a 10-second break in 3, 2, 1, and rest. 10 seconds. Doobie doobie doo. Get on your side. Get ready for those side planks in 3, 2, 1, and push it up. Push up. We're going 20 seconds on one side right here. Remember, drop down to your knees if you need to. Keeping that good plank between your shoulders, hips, and knees. If you're on your feet, your plank is between your shoulders, hips, and feet. All right, getting ready to switch sides. 3, 2, 1, and switch it right over to the other side, holding that side. Alright, make sure to keep that good form there. Try not to pike. Drop it down. We're getting ready for our next 10-second break in 3, 2, 1, and relax. Oh, look, hey, it's my video from last week. You should like and subscribe. Plug, shameless. Alright, stand up. Get ready for reverse lunges in 3, 2, 1, and go. One leg back, keeping it moving. Keep that same leg traveling back and forth. Good job. Remember, we're going to do no rest as we switch legs in 3, 2, 1, and switch legs. Get that other leg back behind you. Keep it up. I know it burns, but just make it good. Keep moving. We're going to add this a little bit more difficult next week, so get these in. All right, rest in 3, 2, 1. I just want to be really creepy here. All right, get down. Get ready for traveling push-ups. In 3, 2, 1, and you're pushing up. Bring those hands together, push up, and travel backwards. Remember, if you get tired, drop down to your knees, or you can start from your knees. Just try to keep it moving. Modify before you quit. Keep it up. Don't stop. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, that was a little preemptive, so all right, and you're lying down. I know, it's getting hard. We got glute bridges next. 3, 2, 1, and push it up. Remember, double pulse at the top, bring it down, double pulse at the top. Try to get those hips up as high as you can. Remember, you're pushing through your heels, not through your toes. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, you can lift up your arms off the ground for a little bit more of that core activation. A few more seconds here. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Oh my God, I have to burp. All right, we're chilling. You're getting ready for lying T's, Y's, W's. I can't get that right. It's cool. All right, ready, set, go. Bring it up. Bring it out to the side. You can do these a little bit faster this round because you want to get a few more reps in, but make sure you do get that nice pause at the top so you feel all that upper back activation. Keep it up. Few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. We're getting ready for those standing abdominal twists. Remember, get yourself up in that quarter squat. Ready, set, and go. Stand it up, quarter squat, and bring opposite elbow to opposite knee. Return to center. Slow and controlled, making sure that your abs are activated the whole time. Remember, we're not about getting injured here. We're all about building up that base musculature, building that foundational movements. Keep it up. You're almost done. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry. That was a little preemptive. Last exercise. Jumping jacks. 20 seconds. Last one. Then you're done unless you want to do it again. Ready, set, go. Jumping jacks. There you go. I'm checking the time. Got to keep checking the time because I can't see and I forget how to do everything. Good job. Heart rate up. Finish strong. Remember, guys, you are done in 3, 2, a little long there, 1, and done. If you want to do it again, you want more of a workout, just rewind it and do it all over again.
All right, I hope you enjoyed week 2 of your Fitness Foundations video. I know I got a good sweat out of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. You know, if you have anybody who's beginning exercise or just having trouble getting motivated, share with your friends. The more the merrier. Check out my Discord channel if you really want to take part in more conversation, have questions to ask me. My Discord is linked below. Also, if you're one of the gamers, I do stream World of Warcraft, as you could tell from the video, so you can follow along for more World of Warcraft videos. And then stay tuned next week when we go into the 3rd Fitness Foundations video, again making it a little bit longer and adding some more complex movements in there. I hope you guys have a good evening, and I'll see you next time.